Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be looking at German pronouns. Pronouns are words we use to refer to ourselves, to other people, or things. Let us look at some easy sentences and identify the pronouns. Ich bin Maria. I am Maria. Here, the pronoun is ich or I. Er ist der Vater. He is the father. The pronoun here is er, which means he. Next one is es ist sehr schwer. It is very heavy. Es means it. We also use pronouns to avoid repeating the noun when we talk. Maria is 8 Jahre alt. Maria is 8 years old. Sie liest gerne Bücher. She likes to read books. Sie ist ein intelligentes Mädchen. She is an intelligent girl. Here, the pronoun for she is sie. Singular pronouns means there is only one person, animal, place, thing, or idea, while plural pronouns means that there is more than one. Before we go to the list of pronouns, let us quickly learn the ways to describe the different points of view. I and we is the first person point of view. You is the second person point of view, and the third person would be she, he, it, and they.
Ich, sie, du, er, sie, es, wir, sie, ihr, sie.
We can find the word sie in both the singular and the plural personal pronouns. The capitalized sie is used to address someone politely in a formal situation, both for singular and plural. As a German language learner, it is very important to memorize pronouns early on, because when we start learning verbs, you would see how different pronouns would have different forms of verb as well.
Woher kommt sie?
Where is she from?
Woher kommen sie?
Where are they from?
Woher kommen sie?
Where are you from? In these examples, we could see the verb come in different forms. This is how verbs are conjugated. We would be talking more about this on the next lesson.
Ich komme aus Frankreich.
I come from France.
Du kommst aus Frankreich.
You come from France.
Er kommt aus Frankreich.
He comes from France.
Sie kommt aus Frankreich.
She comes from France.
Wir kommen aus Frankreich.
We come from France.
Sie kommen aus Frankreich.
They come from France.
Ihr kommt aus Frankreich.
You guys come from France.